Hello. Today we would like to take some time to share with you some information about the Kansas assessments. Sophomores will take the Kansas Math and Reading assessments. Juniors will take the Kansas Science Assessment and the History, Government, and Social Studies assessment. The tests will begin after spring break. Your classroom teachers will tell you your exact testing dates. Your scores may be recorded in your permanent record. They may be used to help make placement decisions for certain courses. Your teachers will share your scores with you as soon as they become available. The Kansas assessments are one of the tools used by the state to determine whether our district is accredited. The scores for our school are published in the newspaper and on the Kansas State Department of Education website. Your scores are used by the community to judge how successful we are. It's an image thing. Community members sometimes choose where to live based on the test scores of the schools. Olathe South is usually among the top scoring schools in Kansas. Your hard work makes our school look awesome and the entire community look good. In order to prepare, you should be sure to get a good night's sleep, be on time to school, eat a good breakfast, and think positively. When you take the test, work carefully, answer every question, skip difficult questions and come back to them. The software will allow you to flag these questions and check your work. Take your time. You can have as much time as you need. Listen to the directions given by your teacher. Read and pay careful attention to all directions within the test. At the end of each part, there will be a review end screen. You will raise your hand and show the screen to your test administrator before moving on. You can move between questions within a part, but you cannot go back to a part once you have finished it. You must complete each part of the test in one session. The system will not allow you to start it one day and finish it the next. If you know that you have to leave in the middle of class for an appointment, do not start the test. If you're not sure how to do a problem, try to eliminate some answers, then make your best guess. There is no penalty for wrong answers, so answer every question. It's better to guess than to leave a question blank. This is not like the map. You may go back and rework a question, but you cannot go back to a previous part after you have ended it. If you have questions during the test, please raise your hand and ask. However, we cannot help you to solve the problems or tell you if you have done them correctly. If you feel there is an error with the test, such as 2 correct answers or no correct answers, please tell your teacher. He or she will write down your name, the item number, and the issue. We will collect all of that information and forward it on to the district. Be sure to bring pencils with you to the test. Something to read or other homework in case you finish early is also a good idea. Your teachers will tell you what they want you to take with you. Electronics are not allowed at any time, not even when you are finished testing. Don't bring them. You will not be allowed to use computers after you have finished the exam. Calculators and scratch paper will be provided. The test will include both multiple choice and technology-enhanced items. In the next video, we will look at the different types of test questions.